Okay, start.
Hello, good evening. This is Sulav Takal. Today we are talking about the design concept, and our design topic is compost pit, and its aim is to minimize the municipal solid wastage. Now let's talk about the team members. The coordinator, I am Sulav Takal. My student number is S311758. I'm the coordinator and designer of this team. And my friend Lee Lane, his student number is S317086. He is the researcher of this team. As we are talking about the Sambo district, now let's talk about the background of Sambo district. Sambo is one of the districts of Cambodia which lies in Karat province. After doing a bit of research, what we found is that the pollution is one of the major problems in Sambo district. Moreover, we found that education and awareness are the main reasons behind the pollution in Sambo district. Talking about the education, what I found is youth between the ages of 15 to 24, their literacy rate is 88.4, and that's for male, and youth between 8 to 24, which literacy rate is 85.9, that's for female. Moreover, we found that pre-primary school participation gross enrollment ratio of male and female is not more than 13%, which is compared to be low. So from that we can see that most of the people are uneducated and are not aware about the impacts of solid wastes on their health. So talking about the second factor, awareness, what we found is there is lack of awareness between the people of Sambo district, as they are not aware about the harmfulness of the solid wastes in their health, in their surrounding. So they are not they are not aware, and there is lack of awareness as well. So now moving on, awareness is done, and then moving on, we did some research on the pollution index, and what we found is the main problem of the pollution is air pollution. It is 68%, which is considered to be very high, and drinking and water pollution is 55%, but still that's considered to be high. Talking about the purity and cleanliness in Cambodia, what we found that is the air quality is just 32%. That is considered to be very low, and the water quality is 23.15%, which is very low as well. So after looking at the static design, we designed our prototype in such a way that it helps to reduce the hazards created by solid waste in Sambo district. In Sambo district, it reduces the hazards created by solid waste in Sambo district, because in our design, people are supposed to collect all the solid wastes and decompose it in compost pit in a given area, which will have to reduce a lot of problems like disease, pollutions, etc., which are created by the solid wastes. Moreover, moving on, our design helps to improve the health and environment condition of Sambo district as well, because all the solid wastes like vegetable wastage, garbage wastage, dead animals, the wastage, decayed food wastage are to be collected in a particular area, which will reduce environmental pollution and improve the health of local people as well. Now talking about our design, our compost pit, things we need to make our compost pits are wooden planks, plastic, lead, and a shovel. At first, At first, to make our design, we need to look for a suitable land area, like about 100 meters away from the community, so which is safer that way. Yeah, which is safer that way. And first, we need to dig a big hole, find a suitable land, and dig a big hole. After that, we need to place the wooden plank exactly perfect, which need to fit perfect, which need to be in the perfect size of the hole. So after that, we need like some big plastic bags, lids, which will help to make our compost pit more airtight and watertight as well. So which can last in every type of environmental condition of Sambol district. Yeah, furthermore, talking about the sustainability, our researcher Lan Lee will talk on this topic.
Hey, I'm a researcher. I research about the sustainability of our pet type. It is suitable about three parts. The first part is synchro economically, as we are using a local resource to build all the things, so it is cheap and easy to build. Every people overseas can easily build and offer our prototype. Second is the synchronicity. The design doesn't include any subtypes things, hence it is synchronously attached. Our prototype doesn't have any synchro influence and any synchro thing, so people can easily adapt our design. The last one is environmentally. Our design is eco-friendly. Since it is designed by the using local material and doesn't more produce any further more pollution on environmental more averse. Our have to reduce our pollution. People doesn't have to do deforestation and breathing anything. Hence, our design and very suitable for environment also. And the last one is the EWB training. So it follows in EWB training criteria which affordable, which people can easily afford our design. Sustainability is a major thing which our design. It's not cover our design can last up to 5 to 7 years easily. Until and use we don't destroy it, nothing would happen to it. Possibility our design is designed in such a way that it can last in any environmental conduct and natural disaster, last increase and secure. Thank you.
Yeah. Talking about the conclusion, this is our design, which we explained earlier. Yeah, hence, so I hope we can help a lot of community people of Sambol district and to manage the solid wastes in a better way. Thank you.